Hello, I'm Kevin from Crypto MY. Happy Chinese New Year, everybody. Chinese New Year is coming around the corner. And today's episode, I will talk about this Chinese New Year event from Huobi platform. So let's stay tuned. Today, Huobi has released a new event, an epic event for Chinese New Year. Okay, what sort of epic event? If you look down at their website, if you don't have a Huobi account yet, I will put down the link at below so you guys can register. If you look at Huobi apps right now, it's decorated with all the Chinese New Year banner and whatsoever. It looks like Chinese New Year feel. When it has Chinese New Year feel, means they are giving out a lot of free things, free airdrop, free ang bao, free what also free in the Chinese New Year event. So this Chinese New Year event in Huobi platform, right? It's very interesting because this is regarding the Primelist event. And this Primelist event is very interesting because in this Primelist event, it will be held every single day instead of every single week. So they're gonna celebrate this Chinese New Year event with giving out every single day Primelist event, and every single day also will have different tokens that are going to be listed in Huobi, and you'll be able to get every single airdrop of all these projects, which is interesting. And the good thing is the criteria is all the same. So let's check out together. In order for you to know more about this Primelist event, just go into this Huobi app. And you will need to log in first, of course. So once you have logged in, then you go back to the home page and you will see this Primelist banner at below, which is this Primelist hot. Then there's a countdown there. Just click on it and it will direct you to another link. So once it have directed you, you can see this is the Primelist festival for Chinese New Year because this year is the Tiger year. And you can see there are various of events inside this. So you can see the first one is the Loot, L-O-O-T, a gaming marketplace. So this is one of the projects that's going to be listed on Huobi Primelist. And you can see if you scroll all the way down, you can see there are plenty of more projects that are going to be listing in Huobi every single day. Not just that, you can see Prime Earn every day, Prime Box every day. So you will not only just get Primelist event, but you will get also Prime Earn every day and also Prime Box every single day, which is very good. I think it's very generous. This time Huobi have given you a lot of event, and all this event I would say will have a lot of profit. It's like a free ang bao to you, right? So in order for you to join this, okay, for example, if you want to join this, very similar to all the previous Primelist event. For example, if you want to join this Loot, L-O-O-T, you can actually click on the View More button to view more about this event. And you can see Loot Sales, a gaming marketplace designed for gamers and with support for multiple blockchain. So for example, if you love this event or you want to buy this token at the pre-sale pricing, so you will need to join Huobi Primelist event. So you can see, right, the countdown is 2 days, 19 hours, and blah, blah, blah. Then you can see to qualify for Primelist and win a ticket, maintain a daily average trading volume, meet the minimum HD holding, or participate in Primelist Fest. So first of all, there will be two options. Either you join via queuing or you join via HD holding. Very similar to all the previous Primelist event. If you haven't watched any of my previous Primelist event, I'll put down the link also so you guys can actually take a look. It's very simple. The criteria is all the same. So if you join via queuing, then you will need to have at least 500 USDT per day, trading volume per day. So if it's there for 4 days, meaning that you need to trade total of 2000 USDT for 4 days. Either you trade one shot 2000 or you trade 500 every single day. Or if you don't want the hassle, right, you can actually do join via HD holding. So HD holding is the best choice for me. I personally think that is the best choice for me. Why? Because if you have just 300 HD in your wallet right now, you can join all sort of Primelist event throughout the journey, throughout this whole Chinese New Year journey. So you just need to have 300 hold all the way, you will get all the airdrops. Good, right? So it's either you put in HT or you do via queuing. So in order for you to know that, you scroll all the way down, you will see the rules and regulation, what you need to do, and it's straightforward. Okay, so let's get back into the website. So this is the website of the Huobi. And if you go down to the banner, you can see Prime List every day. So once you click on it, it will direct you to another page whereby it tells you what to do. And of course, the first event will be the loot token. If you guys love about the loot token, you guys can join the event. So there are the ways to teach you how to join the event. Like I mentioned just now, if you register via queuing, then you will see these are the criteria, these are the eligibility. For example, the first event, you need to trade from 21st of January all the way to 24th of January. And you will need at least 500 USDT trading volume per day. So you need to have average of total of 2000 USDT. So it's either the first day you trade 2000 straight away, or you every day also trade 500 until you get 2000. But one thing bad is the queuing partner, right? You are not 100% will get the allocation for the airdrop, because right, you can see right, it's only 1 to 4,000 people will get this airdrop by via queuing. So it will be randomly picked. The winner will be randomly picked, and it really depends on luck. If you are lucky, then you'll be chosen to buy, you are eligible to buy this airdrop. But if you're not lucky, then too bad, you need to wait for the second day or the third day, all the way to 7 day. So you can see there are all the way to 7 day. But if you register via HT holding, then it will be different case. For example, if the first event is the loot, then you will need to hold HT holding from 21st all the way to 23rd, which is 3 days, and you need to hold at least 300 HT. So if you hold around 300 HT, right, your cap for order placement is up to 50 US dollar, meaning that you are guaranteed gonna get this airdrop. Of course, if you hold more HT, you can see here, if you hold more HT all the way to 500,000, for example, if you have 500,000 HT, your cap for order placement is all the way up to 2000 USDT. So it really depends on how many HT you have. So if I were you, if I love to join all this sort of Primelist event, and I say right, Primelist event is guaranteed free money. I said free money, free ang pao, free Chinese New Year, get more money for the Chinese New Year to celebrate Chinese New Year. So this one, right, I will recommend you, based on my personal opinion, if you have money, go and buy HT at a lower price right now. Buy up to 300 HT, not up to, is 300 HT or above. Then just stick for these 7 days and get all sort of airdrop in these 7 days. And the moment it release out for public sales, you can just straight away sell it. But of course, if you think that one of the project is good, then you can just keep the token for long term. But if you think that the project is not so for you, then you can actually sell it straight away. And those are free money, because the moment it launched on public sales, usually is 10x, 5x, at least 20x, 100x, nobody knows, but it has access better than no access. Okay, so if you want to know more, I'll put down all these website links also all down below, so you guys can know about more about this event. And I think that's all for today's episode. I think it's pretty clear what you should do. And remember, if you do via HT holding, always stick at the earliest day as possible. Because let's say it's a 3 days average holding, right? Then if you stick on the second day, you will need 600 HT at least instead of 300. So always stick at the earliest one, which is 21st. Right now, just stick to it from 21st all the way to 7 day, get all sort of airdrop, which is only require only 300 HT, for example. Of course, you have more, just go ahead. And I think that's all for today's episode. If you like my episode today, remember to click like, share, and subscribe. Gonna see you guys soon, and goodbye.